Hey everybody, this is Sonny. In the previous video, I briefly mentioned long tail keyword, but I wanted to have a separate module on this, a separate video on this, because I wanted to make sure that you understand its importance. See, long tail keywords have less competition. Most of the businesses, in my 10 years experience, go after short tail key phrases like just the word carpet cleaning or mold removal or roof repair. They don't try and go for carpet cleaning business near me, right? So there's less competition. Since there's less competition, it's easier to rank higher in such search phrases. Of course, that's the goal. The sooner you can get on page 1 of Google under long-term key phrases, it'll also help you rank high in mid-tail key phrases and eventually in short-tail key phrases. So you have to remember, in order to start with long-term key phrases. They also have higher conversion rates. For example, if someone is looking for the word or phrase mold removal versus someone who's looking for mold removal company free inspection, see? Now, there's a big difference. Anybody looking for mold removal can be just trying to get some ideas or trying to find different ways of removing mold. Maybe they want to do it themselves. Versus the other person who looks for mold removal company, free inspection, or mold removal company near me, then they are actually looking for a business that provide mold removal services. Same goes for basement waterproofing, kitchen remodeling, roof repair, bathroom remodeling, water damage restoration, basement water removal, all these basic search phrases versus the long tail key phrases where people are more serious when they're looking for phrases like air duct cleaning services near me or air duct cleaning company near me, and not just air duct cleaning, because air duct cleaning by itself could mean they are looking for air duct cleaning tools or maybe equipment or something that maybe they want to rent at Home Depot so they can do it themselves. Okay. So it's very important for you to understand that when you first start with SEO, you go after long tail keywords, and I'll show you how to find them, but the focus should be, again, long tail keywords. And finally, don't forget to optimize for searches that are coming from Alexas of the future, or even present, shouldn't say future, or Siri and so forth. When people type in Google, they might be typing words like air duct cleaning, but when they talk to their phone or their computer, then they are looking for something like find me the nearest air duct cleaning company, find me the best air duct cleaning company, or which air duct cleaning company has the highest reviews. So you want to optimize your website for similar search phrases. Again, long tail keywords, but this time keep in mind, these keywords are the ones that people are asking for from their phones, from their computers, in their cars now, and so on. So make sure you also think about this. Whichever service you provide, people are asking for those services through Alexas, through Siri, through Google, and so forth. So I hope you understand the importance of long tail keywords to be successful with search engine optimization for higher rankings in search engines, and implement these strategies, implement these search phrases first, or your strategy around these search phrases when you get started. Okay. And I will now see you in the next video.